BECE, 1993, Section B, Question 1. 1a. Simplify, 2a plus 4b, all divided by 3, minus 3, multiply by, opening round bracket, a, minus b, closing round bracket, divided by 2. 1b. Solve, 5 opening round bracket, a minus 5, closing round bracket minus, half opening round bracket, 2a plus 6, closing round bracket equals to 4. 1c. If r equals to 3 on 1, and q equals to minus 2 on 1, calculate, 6 opening round bracket, r plus 2q, closing round bracket. BECE, 1993, Section B, Question 2. 2. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, a. Construct a triangle ABC, such that BA equals to 10 centimeters, angle ABC equals to 90 degrees, and angle BAC equals to 30 degrees. Measure the length BC. 2b. I. Bisect the angle ACB, to meet BA, at D. I. What type of triangle is CDA? 2c. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. BECE, 1993, Section B, Question 3. 3. Olu bought a radio for 65,000 cedis. After 1 year the radio was valued at 75% of the cost price. A. What was the price of the radio after 1 year? 3b. If he sold the radio for 55,700, calculate his profit or loss over the cost price. BECE, 1993, Section B, Question 4. 4a. Using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on both axes, draw two perpendicular lines OX and OY on a graph sheet. B. On this graph sheet, mark the x-axis, from -5 to 5, and the y-axis, from -6 to 6. 4c. Plot on the same graph sheet, the points A, with coordinates, -2, 4, and B, with coordinates, 4, -5. Join the points A and B with the help of a ruler. 4d. Using the graph, find I. The gradient, or slope, of the line AB. I. The value of x, when y equals to 0. I. The value of y, when x equals to 2. 4e. Plot on the same graph sheet the point C, with coordinates, -3, -1, and D, with coordinates, 3, 3. Join the points C and D. With the help of a protractor, measure the angle between the lines AB and CD. What is the gradient of the line CD? BECE, 1993, Section B, Question 5. 5. The ages of 20 school children were recorded as follows: 13, 9, 15, 17, 13, 9, 11, 9, 11, 15, 17, 15, 11, 9, 9, 11, 15, 11, 11, and 11. A. Make a frequency table for the data using the ages of 9, 11, 13, and so on.